how to repost autoplay videos on Instagram story. So if you want to repost autoplay videos, then first of all open up your Instagram application and then choose a video that you would like to repost. So I'll be choosing this first video. You can simply tap on the share icon and then go for add to story, which is on the bottom left. So that's it. Now you can simply add this to your story. You can simply go for the bottom right, which has that share icon. Tap on that and then tap on your story and then tap on share. And done. And you can simply go to your story. So now you can see that this has been posted, right? So that's it. That's how you add a video on your Instagram story, or that's how you share videos on your Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.